Hi guys and welcome back to Bake with Shivesh. In this episode we are making waffles without eggs and a waffle maker. Let's get started. So I'll start by adding 1.5 cups of milk into a large bowl. Don't use the milk straight out of the fridge. It needs to be at room temperature or even warm. To this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you don't have that, you could use vinegar. We'll mix it and set it aside for about 10 minutes. What we're doing here is that we're making a buttermilk. So after 10 minutes, your milk will curdle and look something like this. This is what you need. Now into my buttermilk goes butter, 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of it. You could also use vegetable oil if you like, and about a teaspoon of a good quality vanilla extract. Now use a wooden spoon or a whisk to just mix all your wet ingredients together really well, and we'll set it aside. Let's get started with the dry ingredients. I'm adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour here. To this, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, which may sound like a lot, but please go for it. And to this, 1/4 cup of caster sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, which is optional. Just mix everything together really well so that all the dry ingredients are nicely combined. Once that's done, pour the wet ingredients that we had set aside earlier in and mix them well. Once the batter comes together, it'll be super thick. At this stage, I'll add in 1/3 cup of hot water and mix it in as well. My batter is done. If you have a waffle maker, you should use that. Today, I'm making these waffles on a griller that I would normally use to make grill sandwiches. Heat it, grease it with some melted butter, and then take about 1/4 cup of batter and pour it on the hot griller. You need to close the lid and cook the waffle for about 5 minutes. Then open it again and then turn it and cook it again so that you get a checkered pattern on it, and it also gets nice and crisp on the outside. Now these don't look like the classic waffles, but trust me, they have a super crisp crust which is slightly caramelized, and with ice cream and a dollop of Nutella, it just tastes so good. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also connect with me on Instagram at Shivesh17. I'll see you guys soon.